I'll perform this expression and simplify the results. We got this expression and border multiplying. So to do this, I'm going to first of all bring out 8x in the first bracket and put this expression here, which is 4x squared minus 3x plus 2. And then I pick out this minus 4 in the first bracket. And again, write this expression again. 4x squared minus 3x plus 2. So what I'm going to do here, I will expand this bracket. And if I do that, I will have to multiply 8x and 4x squared. That will be 32x cubed. And multiply 8x times minus 3x. That will be 24x squared. And also multiply 8x times 2. That will be 16x. And over here, I will do the same. Minus 4 times 4x is minus 16x squared. And minus 4 times minus 3x is plus 12x. And minus 4 multiplied plus 2, that will be minus 8. Now, I will have to simplify my answer. So I can write this down first, which is 32x cubed. And of course, if you look here, you have minus 24x squared minus 16x. Okay, so I'm going to work that out. Minus 24x squared minus 16x. That will be minus 40x squared. And here you got plus 16x plus 12x. If you add them both, you get plus 28x. And here you just have only a constant number. You just put the number at the end. So the result for this one will be 32x cubed minus 40x squared plus 28x and minus 8.